How to slip stitch all around. I mainly use this technique in pieces that are worked in rows and are going to be attached to other crochet pieces or amigurumi. In this case, I'm going to continue to work with the same yarn. If you want to use a different yarn to make the edge, first join with a slip stitch in the stitch where you want to begin your edge. Insert your hook into the next space available and work a slip stitch. Remember to work loosely so that your work doesn't bunch up. Continue to work up the side edge. To slip stitch across the top, work one slip stitch in each of the stitches of the previous row. Slip stitch down the second side and across the bottom to the first slip stitch. Needle join and weave in ends, or leave a long tail if needed. If you use a different color for the slip stitches, it adds more interest to your piece, and even from the back it makes a fun accent. Don't miss the next tutorial where I'm going to attach the yellow piece, which is a pocket, to the overalls where it belongs.